Welcome back, class. Today's topic is electric field intensity due to a point charge. So I already explained you what is the physical significance of the electric field intensity. But today we are very specific. We want to find what is the value of electric field intensity due to a point charge. So let us discuss what is our aim. Our aim is to find what is the influence of this charge Q at this point, which is d distance from this charge Q. So what is the procedure? The procedure is the same. We have to place a test charge and then we will see what is the force experienced by that test charge at this point. So I am keeping the test charge here, and because of that test charge you will get the Coulombian force Fe, and you see the direction is because it is a positive charge, that is why it is away from this Q charge. So what is the definition? Definition is equal to Fe by Q test, or in other words, the electric field intensity at that point is the force experienced by the test charge. So if see here this formula E is equal to Fe upon Q test, in the definition we are saying the force acting on the test charge, but it is E is equal to Fe by Q test. So both are the same thing because the Q test magnitude is 1. So basically it is E is equal to Fe, right now, because the value of the Q test is 1. So when you put the value of Q test is 1, then E is equal to Fe. So it is similar. The electric field intensity at that point is the force experienced by the test charge. So it is similar. But today's our aim is to find what is the exact value of the electric field intensity at a certain point due to any point charge. So for that, see the figure. I am keeping a plus Q charge at the point A, and our aim is to find what is the electric field intensity at point P, which is r distance from this parent charge Q. So procedure is same. We have to place a test charge Q naught, and because of that test charge, the test charge will experience a force in this direction, Coulombian force, because it is a positive charge, so you will get the repulsion in this direction. So the direction of the electric field is the force is in this direction. So what is the value of the F? So from the formula of the Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So here K is what? Here K is the dielectric constant. If you are assuming there is a medium present in between the Q and Q naught, so we will use the formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 Q2 upon R square. But according to definition of the electric field intensity, E is equal to F by Q naught. So just put the value of F in this relation, you will get E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 Q2, which is Q1 Q naught upon R square into Q naught. After simplification, you will get E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 by R square. Here the Q1, that means the first charge, which is the plus Q. The first charge is Q. So after the whole simplification, you will get the final result. Electric field at the point P is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q by R square, and for air it is K is equal to 1, that is why we are using 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So this is the formula for the electric field intensity due to a point charge. You see in this formula there is no value of the test charge. So electric field intensity only depends upon the parent charge, this Q. So basically whenever our aim is to find what is the electric field intensity at a certain point, so only the parent charge is responsible for that influence, right now. So here the test charge only to find the effect, so that is why in this formula there is no role of the Q naught is not there. So basically the electric field intensity of a point is explained what is the effect of the parent charge in a certain point, and according to because the force is a vector quantity, so electric field also a vector quantity. And what is the direction? The direction of the electric field is in the same direction of the force. So if our aim is to find what is the direction of the electric field at that point, so electric field also in the same direction of the Coulombian force. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, you should mention in the comment section. Thank you.